You okay?
Good? I'm good, yeah. Oh, did you done do it? Kyle. Are you good? Yeah, we're good. Okay, now get the hammer. I thought like the diff was being held in by the seals. But so I took out the seals and now we're gonna try to take out the center carrier or whatever it's called.
So that's what we're doing, we're taking out the whole thing and trying to weld it?
Oh yeah, we're taking apart the whole center section and cutting a window open to weld it in. Yeah? Okay. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
That bottom one just tight for some reason. Punk's in here, eh? I think Buddy was clutch kicking it before.
No.
Yeah, bro. That's the first thing I would have done when I got it, clutch kicked it. The traction control button's worn out on the inside. Why is it like wedge pressed in there? Oh, look at that. That's the clutch, eh? Yeah. That's cool. Oh my god, Cam. So, cut this open as large as we can. Because just while we have it taken apart, cut the window open. Yep. And then put it all that together in the diff and then weld it. That's right, yeah. So it's back to what Joel was saying, right? If we weld it like this, because everything registers with its own gear, either on top of it or whatever, yeah, it won't want to line up. Okay, after we weld it. This diff is gonna make big noises when we're done with it. Just gonna let you know. There's no warranty on this product after I work on it. Okay, so we took the diff case apart. We bored out the holes, and now we can fit our welder in there and weld the spider gears up to lock it up. All right, let's do it.
What are you working on?
Just gonna do a little project for our first part on the lathe. We're gonna make, where is it? Make a little drill sleeve like that. It's just a little turn operation, face it, we're gonna drill it. I'm gonna take it over to the mill and do this little slot. So we have a couple of parts that are waiting for back order right now. So we have a lathe, we have a mill, we can actually make the parts ourselves now. So not even just the product that we make for you guys, but even for ourselves now, we have the capabilities to make our own tooling, odds and ends in the shop. So better all around.
What's up, Jack?
What's up?
Putting these welded the diff Now we're putting the axle in and bolting the control arms back up. It's going good. No problems here.
How far are we along with the front kit?
The size and the designing process, it's almost done. And once he's finished with that, we're gonna cut the parts out and we're gonna install them on the car. We got the knuckles cut, ready for the kit. We had to lop off the end of the knuckle here, and we're just gonna bolt it on there. And the size in the designing process, and yeah, almost there.
Take it then.
Going through the air.
Okay, do it again, do it again.
Excellent, bring it over.
That's
Yeah,
a boss
okay.
man catching it.
No, hit him in the head.
Do a Panzerotti. Beep. Oh, I was doing sound effects. Too much junk, man. I'm gonna call it an adapter because it's, you know, it's adapting. So all we gotta do is put this on here, drop a couple bolts through, all different lengths, why not? And then all we gotta do is put this guy right in there. This is just another form of support, I guess. I'm sure it would be more than fine with the 3 wheel bearing bolts to hold this on, but just as an extra layer of protection. We're gonna put this little ear on, just ties into the brake caliper mount as well, and then we should never have any issues with flex or distortion or anything like that. So yeah, weld her up.
What's going on, YouTube fans? We've got the Camaro on the hoist. Put it up here a week ago, then I got COVID, and now a week later, we're putting an angle kit on the car. Because all I did during COVID was design this angle kit. So basically, we tried to make a comprehensive design that utilizes the critical points of the knuckle, but still keeps it, you know, cost effective and super strong. So this is the knuckle adapter, and we're not powder coating it or anything because this is the test setup. So, oh, wrong one. One second. This is the right one. So basically, this goes on the back of the knuckle and installs like so. It utilizes the 3 bearing bolts and one of the caliper mounts to give us a good, very structurally sound design. And it gives us all the new angle kit pickups, bump stops, adjustable Ackerman, the whole bit, while maintaining the strong factory lightweight forged bit. And then the important parts, which is the control arm mount and the tie rod mount, are super strong and made of our alloy steel. So we're gonna throw this on. We already tested the lower. The lower is pretty cool. It sits in the car kind of angled forward, so you have really good wheel clearance front and back. We have our on-car adjustable mount for caster, fixed point for camber, because you're not really gonna be touching that.
uniball out here. We may need to adjust the length, but this already bolts up really nice. So you guys are probably gonna watch Kyle install it, not me, because he's the new mechanic, and he's doing a great job. So I can focus on things like angle kits and control arms and stuff. But yeah, he's doing a good job, and he's got nice hair, so it looks good on camera. I'm gonna throw this on, see if it fits, and then you guys are probably gonna watch Kyle do it over there.
We got the kit on, and it's looking great. We got it mocked up, got the sway bar on, it's fished in there. This is V1 of the kit, so the sway bar is a little tight, but we'll update that in the next revision. But yeah, we got the kit mocked up, tie rods on. It has a great amount of angle, like that's ridiculous. Just for the mild mantis kit, which is great. But yeah, we still have to put on coilovers. That'll come at a later date. And yeah, it's looking great. Oh, we re-drilled the hub. It's 5x114 now. It was 5x120. Yeah, that wasn't a struggle at all. Don't ever do that. And then yeah, should be ready to put on some wheels, some studded winter tires, get ready to drift on the ice. And yeah, that's it.
So we finished up the kit, we did the install, it looks fantastic. Everything went really well. This is kind of the trend with designing new kits now that we've got the mechanic, we've got me, we've got everyone else working together as a team. We water jet cut stuff, we CNC machine it, all within like 7 days, and I had COVID when I designed it. So check it out, tons of angle. I don't know if you filmed it already. It's still raw, you get a little peak in there, but it's even got more potential than it has. The bump stops work perfectly. Everything clears really well. The sway bar, the factory sway bar connects up really well. It's still super cold, so I just, a little bit of heat, keep us warm. It's like minus 20 something today. So we didn't get to test it this past weekend because we had no trailers available and we weren't gonna street drive this car. So we're gonna test it probably within 1 to 2 weeks. On the skid pad, if it's not cold enough for the ice, it's freezing. So I think it might be okay for another ice. We got the studded tires on. This car would be super fun on the ice. But that's it. That's it. The car is good. The kit's good. I had to make a couple adjustments to the bump steer, because sometimes when you set the caster you just don't know exactly, so then you do a bump steer check and there was just a little bit, so we're going to make that adjustment, then it'll be perfect. Thank you guys for watching. That's the Camaro kit, and we're going to continue. We scanned the rear, we're going to do a dual caliper setup for the rear, and we're going to do arms for the rear. I know there's a lot of potential for these cars when they're used in like drag racing and other forms of racing that we can definitely attack the market with, and we're going to capitalize because we can do it. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel.
Where are you going?
Back inside, man.
You want me to park it?
You want me to park it?
No, I'll park it.
You need to park it?
You go inside and get warm. I'll deal with it.